Hey guys, just a super quick update video here. I'm in my house in Washington DC right now, just celebrated Thanksgiving with my family, and I'm actually headed back out to Portland in about 4 hours to get back on the road. But purpose of this video, I've finally set up a fully functioning print store on my website. In the past, it's always just been kind of, if you want this photo, send me an email, give me a call, maybe we can work something out, and it's just never really worked very well that way. But now it's just a true online store. You can go browse through the photos, select the ones you want, choose the size, head to the cart and just follow the prompts. It works just like Amazon or something. All of the photos are going to be printed right here at home by either myself if I'm here, or most of the time probably my sister Lexi, and we will ship them right to your door wherever in the world that may be. So I'll put the link to the print store in the description below. Go check it out if you're interested. And that should just about do it for this video. Got to head to the airport now and get back on the road shooting some photos.